Hello everyone! Today last movie about OneDrive, and I think this will be very important movie about controlling who has access to your file. This is very important point from security point of view. Before I start, please subscribe my channel to be up to date with new movie and also to help me reach more people. Okay, let's begin. After you log into Microsoft 365, go to the OneDrive. I have shortcut here. If you didn't pin the OneDrive here, you can choose from the apps and OneDrive. Okay, after I switch to the OneDrive, there is few different methods to check to which file someone else has access. Firstly, very easy option, and here you will see the files that someone else shared with you and also the files that you shared with someone else. You see that shared with you, it means that someone else shared the files with me. The most important is the view by you. Here I see that I shared some files with someone else. This is the first method. The second one, go to My Files and you can check the sharing column. In the sharing column, when there is status private, this means that just only your account has access to the folder or file, or both. But if you see shared, it means that you shared file inside the folder or maybe all folder. The same option I see here in some file. Okay, now let's see the details. I see that the book Excel file is shared by me to someone else, so I see the shared and I can click shared. Then I can see the details. I shared with John Bucket. Read option can download. If I would like, I can stop sharing or change the share option. I'm not going to do that now. All right. This is the second method, but what if you have very big OneDrive with many or thousands, hundreds of files? It will be very difficult to check every file with shared status. Very difficult, trust me. There is better method to do it. How? Let me show you. Go to the settings, right upper corner here. Go to the OneDrive settings. The view will change. Go to the more details, more settings actually, and you have run sharing report. If you click, you will trigger the report. The report will be automatically generated, and inside the report you will see very nice details. Let's do it. Run sharing report. I will choose the folder. Oh yeah, I already created sharing report. You can create the new folder starting from here or choose some else folder. Okay, I will check. I will choose the sharing reports. Save, and now report is being generated. How I know? Because after I click again run sharing report, I will see the message: a report is currently being generated. You may not run a new report until the current one is finished. This is normal. I can switch to the folder where the report will be generated from this view, or close everything and go manually. I will choose the easiest option, switch from here. What I can see here, this is the old reports. There is no new reports now. You see that some report has been generated 16 minutes and 12 minutes ago. This is my test report. I need to wait still for the new report. It will not take long, especially in the scenario that I have, that I don't have a lot of files here. If you have thousands, hundreds, it could may happen that you will need to wait longer than me. Okay, let me just refresh the OneDrive and see. Okay. Voila, got the report. It took about 3-4 minutes. Too long in my opinion, because when I generate first report it took about 1 minute. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's open the report and see the details. After I open the reports, I need to clean up a little bit the data, because you see everything is then one line and it's not very easy to read something. Okay, let's mark a whole column, switch to the data. Okay, I cannot make the changes because I need to change the permission. I need to make, okay, the report is in the view only. I need to click and change. Okay, how to change the viewing? Maybe from here. Yeah, editing. Convert. Okay, now I can edit. Mark a column, switch to the data, switch to the split text to column and choose the comma, not the space, the comma, and apply. Okay, make the view a little bit better. All right, this is exactly what I would like to get. Okay, what I can see here. In a column, you see the full path to the file. Generally, you will see here just only the files that you share with someone else. In B column, you see the type of the file. Excel, PNG, JPG, folder, whatever. In C column, there is what exactly permission you already set up to this file. It could be full control, read option, whatever, yeah. In D column, there is name of the user that you share the file. And E, email, and type of the user or the group. Could be internal, external. I just share with internal, with account belongs to my company. I mean the same subscription in Microsoft. Okay, I can even see the link identification if I share the file using the link. It means that this kind of file was not shared to dedicated account, but to everyone in my company, or could be even outside. So I see the link identification and I see the type of the link. Every people. It means that everyone who has the link can open this file. This kind of report gives me great overview about the files that I share with someone else, and I can easily make the changes. Of course, not in the file, but I can mark, for example, okay, it's not very safe to. It's not very safe for to share with everyone this file, so I can mark for change something. I can mark this file, whatever. Choose the method what you like. Mostly I'm doing like that. And after I review all the files, then I choose some file that I need to make a change. After I mark something file, I need to switch to the OneDrive, and I need to find this file and remove the link. For example, let's do it for this one. That file is in the OneDrive example files and the banner. Let's check. OneDrive example files and the banner. Which one? The banner, the second one, the third one. Yeah, the third one. Let's see. Yeah, of course, the sharing option is here. The third one. So let's remove this sharing option. How? I can click the share it. Then I see there is not the account. Yeah, this is exactly what I said. This file is shared using the link, not to the dedicated account. I see also that the link is here. What I can do, I can remove the link or stop sharing. Let me just remove the link. Pick, remove. There is no link. Also, you see that stop sharing option was removed automatically. This is normal because this file is not shared Okay, let's close and see. The status didn't change. This is the normal. Let's just refresh the page. Voila! Private, yeah. Safe. So I encourage you from time to time to always generate such a report and check each file. Make some cleanup. This is important. Also, the good idea is to when you are going to share some file, set up the date. For example, this file will be shared for about 2 days, 1 week, something like that. After that, automatically the share option will be removed. You can forget that you shared. This is also the good idea. Remember that this is your data. This data need to be protected by you. If you share a lot of the files, you will lose the control. Some of people can remove some data from the file because, for example, you set up full control or maybe the write option. Remember about that. All right, that's it. If you like this movie, just subscribe my channel. I will be more than happy. You help me to reach more people, and you will help me to develop my channel. And thank you, and see you soon.